Cox here, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach, and vegan of 26 years. Here to do a great video for you on vegan snacks. That's right. One of the most common questions I've been asked over the years is, Andrea, I have kids, we take road trips, I'm a busy mom, I'm busy in general, I work 2 jobs. How do I grab vegan alternatives on the go? So today I'm going to share my top vegan snacks from a vegan who's been vegan for over 2 decades. But before I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, and the see all button on this video. So the first vegan snack I'm going to share with all of you is something that comes to mind for all of us, and that is almonds. Now, I get these from natural grocers. They're raw Spanish organic almonds, and they're about $6 for a bag this size. Now, almonds have a lot of fat, so you don't really want to go overboard with fatty foods, but they are the only alkalizing nut there is, so they are very alkalizing to the blood. Cherry tomatoes are easy, kids love them, they're great for long road trips, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now, as we get into more detailed snacks, I'm gonna still stick with the raw. Good old sprouts. These are alfalfa sprouts, nice little black sea salt on top, delicious, you can eat them right out of the container. Kids could share them, excellent. Now, here's another good one, 𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. Now you see I have some here. I always sprinkle some salt on them, and I've been snacking on these all day while I shoot my video. They're high in protein, as are the sprouts and the almonds. Excellent source of protein. Now, as we get into the packaged things, the next snack I have for you is good old pro and prebiotic kimchi. I like to take romaine lettuce on long car trips, and before I leave, I lay out the romaine lettuce. I take a little bit of kimchi, a little bit of dulse flakes, maybe some sprouts and avocado, and roll them up like little finger sandwiches. Excellent road trip snack. Now, as we get into the packaged snacks, before that, I want to remind you of the #1 snack for all of you, and that is good old fresh fruit. Nothing like having mangoes, which can get messy. Apples are more easy to deal with, and good old bananas or grapes on a car trip or just throughout the day. Now, if you're working with grapes, make sure you keep them elevated because they are very dangerous for dogs. So moving on to our packaged snacks, I love these Orgain protein bars. These are my go-to protein bar. They literally taste like chocolate chip cookie dough. They come in a convenient package. Love this. If you want to get a little fancier, we will go with the Baby Bell cheeses. These are wonderful. They're always on sale at Trader Joe's. They're bite size in a package. I love pairing these together for vegan snacks. Now, if you want a sweet treat, I highly recommend 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 chocolate bars. Their white chocolate almond bark bar is excellent, and so is this hazelnut bar. Last but not least, for sweet treats, we have a little eat pastry cookie dough. You can just take a spoon and eat it right out of the container. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for subscribing to this channel and for supporting my videos and content. I would love for you to subscribe over at the Detox Intuitive, my intuitive guidance channel. And if you haven't yet signed up for my free newsletter along with 60,000 other people, I highly encourage you to do so. I give away great tips and recipes over there, and I think you'll find a wealth of knowledge in spirituality, health, cellular detoxification, and many other things. I only send out a newsletter about once or twice a month, so you won't see me in your inbox a lot. I'm Andrea Cox. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. Be well.